happy Sunday to everyone. So today we'll be going to our friends. They invited us for a Sweden dish. So see you.
Our friend is a German. As you can observe for the pictures a while ago, that it's a Swedish food, a Swedish culture, and a Swedish setup. It is because our friend last month have a vacation in Sweden. They love the people, they love the food, the culture, the ambience in Sweden. That's why they want it to share to their friends. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. So please stay tuned until the end. So at the side, that is the typical houses in Germany. So most of it is apartment. It's like a condo type unit. So we started eating already, and this is the Swedish dish or Swedish food. So there's bread. So this is a lot of flavor. And excuse me for the flies. It is because summer, so it's a lot of flies outside. This is my drinks, and I got also Swedish meatball with roti sauce, and this is it. And of course, Dominic is with me. That is Swedish pizza on all flavor for the bread, and I tried it all, and it really tastes good. Plus, it's a lot of people around, so my son is always with me. So he's always with me at my side. I tried to play the dog, but in a few minutes, he's afraid. And he don't forget to bring his auto. He's always bring his auto whenever we're outside. And then after eating, we're talking about their experience in their vacation in Sweden. And this is all our German friends. So talking, drinking, and afterwards we're playing also. So my son try again to play with the dog. So the dog is under the chair. So he's looking at it always. And whenever the dog near him, he touch it.
Hast du den schon gestreichelt?
And we're making headdress. So this is my creation. So in Sweden, first, you can see a lot of women roaming around wearing headdress like this. So a lot of flowers, and then this is part of their culture. It is easy to make you just crisscrossed, and then your hairdress is ready. So we try all the women here have the headdress, and then we'll have pictures later. And then the teenager also here participating us. So yeah, we make it also for them. He wanted cheers for Papa. On the side, they starting the games called lighter golf. So in the lighter golf, at the top, the red color is 3 points, orange in the middle 2 points, and then the yellow 1 point, the lower level. We also give Dominic to play. We give him water. And when the water is empty, he followed again to his papa. On the other side of the garden is the playground for kids. He tried many times with slides. Yeah. The playground is complete for kids. There's pool, sandcastle or sandbox, slides, swing. And then Dominic now playing the water in the pool. We thought he will go back to the slides, but he prefers to play with the water in the pool. So he really loves playing water. He keeps on playing, not noticing that his t-shirt is already wet. I already stopped him, but he don't like it.